They say it's the best time of the year, but the more I evolve, the more I disagree with the views of whomever they be. The silence screams louder, their absence more apparent. I go through the motions, perhaps looking for a potion to ease the pain of no longer having the privilege of being in their presence. Family gatherings have faded away. There's a gray sky covering holidays. I disappear from conversations, deep in thought, writing my way through, tapping into unspoken truths of how I view this script. I've agreed to where I exist in a world void of you. Your essence shines through me, your fragrance lingers. I catch glimpses of you as I navigate life's scene. Determined not to be swallowed by moments of sadness, I serve my way through. I got that from you. Another season of longing for what once was, while simultaneously reflecting on how proud you must be. You paved a path for me to continue on. You prayed for days. The goal was for me to stand out and be strong. Those days are here. I know you see the investment you made in me. Your legacy lives on. Your voice is echoed. Your DNA cannot be denied. No matter what, we always